Hello, weather lovers. Whoa, shit. This is Tavarizi. Oh my god. And this is the first dust storm of the summer. Holy crap. And this actually came out of nowhere, because it wasn't like this fucking 30 minutes ago. My wife calls me, she's like, look outside, and holy crap, can you guys, I mean, you guys probably can't see as good as I can because of the camera, but holy crap, it is really dusty, and it's starting to rain a little bit. Let's walk over here. I mean, look, you can't really tell too much from the camera, but down that way it's a lot darker, and over there you can, from right here, right there, there's like a dust, like a nice, oh shit, sand, a nice dust cloud. It's coming, it's right there on the rim, right here. Look at that one, see, it's nice and sunny over there, but you can see the difference. Holy crap. Oh shit. Good thing I'm not riding to work today, because this would not be fun at all. Holy shit. Oh, that's not rain. It's my pool. I just noticed that. Splashing back water. Oh my god. Holy crap. I know a lot of people don't think that, oh, it's just weather and wind. Oh my god, it's pushing, my trash cans are falling. But here in Arizona, it is very unique to get weather like this. So when we get it, believe me, like, everybody on Facebook is posting pictures, is commenting, and like, oh my god, there's rain! Oh my god, there's a dust storm! Because again, holy shit, I gotta go check this out. My fucking gate, I think my gate is opened. Holy crap. Holy shit, my fucking gate. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, this is gonna open again. Oh fucking god. Holy crap, I've never, holy shit, it's out here. Holy crap. Oh my god, I wish you guys can actually feel what I'm feeling right now, because holy shit. Holy mother of god, it is bad. Wow. That is a storm. We're getting a storm. Like I said, Arizonians get very excited when we get wind like this and clouds, because again, we don't get shit like this very often. So go ahead and comment below and be like, ooh, it's just wind. Not to us, okay? Oh my god, that fucking gate opened again? Holy shit. I'm gonna have to go fix that right now. Oh shit, there's too much dust. You guys see those clouds? Man, they're beautiful. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Alright guys, well if I don't make another video it's because I died, okay? This apocalypse is happening now. So y'all have a wonderful day. Yeah, now both of my doors are open. Beautiful. Oh, just heard thunder. Alright guys, peace out niggas.